Constraint maxima minima. The topic is constraint maxima minima. The method to solve the constraint maxima minima is Lagrange's method of undetermined multiply. Write down Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. Okay. So what is called the Lagrange's method of undetermined multiply? Yesterday I have given one definition. Na? So sometimes we may require to find the extreme values of function of three or more variables. In case the function having that more variables mean x, y, z, which are not independent but are connected by some given relation. The extreme values of f of x, y, z in such a situation are called constrained extreme values. Yesterday I given the definition for this. Okay, either we have to eliminate one variable by using the relation, otherwise we can use one more method, Lagrange's method of undetermined multiplier. Okay. Write down that the given function is u equal to f of x, y, z. Is equation number one. So for this function only we are going to find that extremum. Okay. So subject to excuse me, subject to the constraint subject to the constraint phi of x, y, z equal to 0. Subject to the constraint phi of x, y, z equal to 0. So what is the given function? U equal to f of x, y, z. Phi of x, y, z equal to 0. So what is the necessary condition? Necessary condition for the extreme value necessary condition for the extreme values of u. What is the condition? First derivative is 0. That means dou f by dou x equal to 0. Dou f by dou y equal to 0. Dou f by dou z equal to 0. That is the condition. By the total differential, by the total differential, by the total differential, if f equal to 0, f equal to 0, dou f by dou x dx plus dou f by dou y into dy dou f by dou y into dy plus dou f by dou z into dz equal to 0. From 2 we have, so actually by the total differential f is not equal to 0. Actually u equal to f of x y z, but by the total differential we are writing that, therefore this value is equal to 0. Since dou a by dou x, dou a by dou y, dou a by dou z equal to 0. Okay. Since dou a by dou x equal to 0, dou a by dou y equal to 0, dou a by dou z equal to 0. From 2, what is 2? Pi equal to 0 na? So when pi equal to 0, dou pi by dou x, here we are using that condition by the total differential. Dou pi by dou x into dx, dou pi by dou y into dy, dou pi by dou z into dz equal to 0, which is equation number 3. This is equation number 4. This is equation number 4. Now we consider one undetermined multiplier lambda. Let us consider undetermined multiplier. Let's consider undetermined multiplier lambda. Multiplier lambda. Then we can write 3 plus lambda into 4. Equation number 3 plus lambda into equation number 4 gives dou f by dou x dx plus dou f by dou y dy plus dou f by dou z dz plus lambda into dou pi by dou x dx plus dou pi by dou y into dy into dou pi by dou z into dz equal to 0. Since 3 plus lambda into 4 equal to 0. So if we simplify this, we will get dou f by dou x plus lambda dou pi by dou x to dx plus dou f by dou y plus lambda dou pi by dou y into dy plus dou f by dou z plus lambda dou pi by dou z equal to 0. You simplify this. So all of them equal to 0 means only possible these three things are equal to 0. All are equal to 0 means, so these three things equal to 0. You can write from this equation. You take this as equation number 5. From equation number 5, from equation number 5, we get dou f by dou x plus lambda dou pi by dou x equal to 0, dou f by dou y plus lambda dou pi by dou y equal to 0, dou f by dou z plus lambda dou pi by So z equal to 0. Okay, this is equation number 6. This is equation number 7. This is equation number 8. Solving 6, 7, 8. Solving 6, 7, and 8. We get the values of we get the values of x, y, z, and lambda. What is u? U is a function of x, y, z. So once you get the values of x, y, z, we get the value of u. Okay, that value is the extreme value of u. So which gives extreme values of u. Okay, which gives that extreme values of u. Write the note. Write the note. First note: the equations 2, 6, 7, and 8. Last three equations are simplifying or simply the necessary condition for the necessary condition for the extreme or the extremum, not extreme, extremum, extremum of the auxiliary function of the auxiliary function f plus lambda form, where lambda is also treated as a variable, where lambda is also treated as a variable. Second note: the Lagrange's method of multipliers, Lagrange's method, Lagrange's method does not specify, does not specify whether the extreme values, whether the extreme values found out is a maximum value, found out is a maximum value, found out is a maximum value or minimum value. or minimum value. It is decided from the physical consideration of the problem. It is decided from the physical consideration of the problem. Okay. See, in the last class we have discussed that whether we are finding the stationary value, the stationary values gives that whether the function is that maximum or minimum. But in the Lagrange's method of multiplier, it won't specify that the given function has that maximum value or minimum value. Okay, based on the problem only, we have to write the solution or answer. Okay, example one. Find the minimum value of find the minimum value of x square plus y square plus z square when x plus y plus z equal to 3a. Okay, it is a general one. There are three variables are there. We have to eliminate that one variable by using this relation. By using the relation, how the given function may be written as z equal to 3a minus x minus y. Okay, so this is you take it this as equation number one. You simplify this one, you will get. Now write the solution for this. What is f of x comma y comma z? X square plus y square plus z square. See, afterwards we can discuss that undetermined multiplier, Lagrange's method of undetermined multiplier. First we use that replacing the variable. So here you have to substitute x square by eliminating one variable x square plus y square. You can eliminate that z square here plus 3a minus x minus y. Now it becomes that equation of two variables. Then as usual we can do what is fx? Fx is 2x
So 3a
minus
minus x minus y whole square, right? Z square.
exactly. Yes, correct. 2x minus 2 into 3a minus x minus y. I missed it square there. Thank you. Fx fy. Fy is 2y minus 2 into 3a minus x minus y. So what is fxx? Fxx is 4. Fxy is 2. Fya is 4. So fx equal to fy equal to 0. We have to take first order equal to 0 na, fx equal to 0, fy equal to 0. When we are solving 2x plus y equal to 3a, x plus 2y equal to 3a. So finally what you get? X equal to a comma y equal to a. When you are solving this, you will get x equal to a, y equal to a. So what is the stationary point here? A comma a. Stationary point is a comma a. So what is delta value? What is delta? Delta is rt minus s square na. Rt minus s square. R is 4, t is 4 minus 4. That means 12 greater than 0. And then a also greater than 0. Sorry. And then r also greater than 0, not a. R also greater than 0. So when r is greater than 0 and delta is greater than 0, f of x comma y as f of x comma y as minimum value at a comma a, and the minimum value of f of x comma y is the minimum value of f of x comma y is 3a square. F of x comma y is 3a square. Okay, that is the first method. Replacing that one variable with the, that means you are substituting that z equal to 3a minus x minus y. Then you are omitting or deleting one variable. Then we can find the maximum or minimum value. Okay. Next one is problem in Lagrange's method of multiplier. Example number 2. A rectangular box open at the top. A rectangular box open at the top is to have a volume of 32 cc. 32 cc. Find the dimension of the box. And the dimension of the box. Dimension of the box that requires the least material uh, least material for its construction. Construction. Write the solution for this. So write the problem. The rectangular box open at the top is to have a volume of 32 cc. So first I draw that coordinate system. I draw the coordinate system. The coordinate system x, y, z are the the axis. Then you can draw the diagram for this. See here, this rectangular box. Rectangular box. In the rectangular box, open top is open. Here, top is open. In the rectangular box, top is open. Okay, the other sides are filled. Other sides are filled. Other five sides are closed. Only one side is open. Okay, so write the solution for this. So what is length, breadth, height? The length is x, height is y, weight is z, breadth is y. Let x, y, z be the length. Length, breadth, height of the box respectively. Of the box respectively. So the material for the construction. Material for the construction. Material for the construction of the box is list. Box is list when the area of the surface of and the area of the surface of area of the surface of the box is list. So we need to find that least material to construct the box. So we take that XY Z with the length, breadth, and height of the box. So already it is given volume is 32 cc. What is the volume of the box? What is the volume of the box? 32 cc. What is volume for the cuboid? Don't know. Volume of the cube.
Length into width into base.
Hmm? Yes, yes. Not audible. Your voice is not audible. What is the volume of the box? X, Y, Z is 32 cc. This is the constraint. This is the constraint. Within this constraint only, you have to take. Now, this is the constraint is okay. That means pi of x, y is okay. But see, the material for the construction of the box is least when the area of the surface of the box is least. So what is the area of the surface? What is the area of the surface for the given problem? That is, you can write that f of x, y, z f of x, y, z, that is equal to, so here it is x, y, the down, this one, it is one surface area x, y. Top is not there, top is open. Okay, for this area, this one, that is xz. So here also one more space is there, xz, xz. So 2xz, 2xz, and then one more is there, yz. So in front one yz is there, it is one yz. Back side one more yz is there. Back side one more yz is there, 2 yz is there, 2 yz is there. Therefore what is f of x, y, z? F of x, y, z equal to f of x, y, z equal to xy plus 2xz plus 2yz. Okay, and then what is constraint here? Y of x, y, z equal to x, y, z minus 32. So what is the auxiliary function? The auxiliary function is some g equal to f plus lambda into pi. That is the auxiliary function. Auxiliary function is g equal to f plus lambda pi, where lambda is an undetermined multiplier, Lagrange's undetermined multiplier. So what are the stationary points here? The stationary points of G are given by Gx equal to 0, Gy equal to 0, Gz equal to 0. As per note, you take lambda is also a variable. That means G lambda equal to 0. So what are the equations you will get? That means what is G equal to f plus lambda pi? What G equal to f? F is 2x. Sorry, not 2x. What is f? F plus lambda pi. Now what is f here? What is f? Are you writing or not? Hariharan. Nayak.
Yes, sir.
Chiranjeevi. Varsha. This many persons are there. Then what happened? Huh? What is f, man? xy plus 2
xy plus 2xz plus 2yz
2xz
plus
plus
2yz plus
2yz. Okay, plus lambda into pi
xyz minus
minus 32. Now what is gx? Gx is
gx is
y
0.
plus No. Gx is not 0. Gx is y plus 2z plus lambda yz. Okay, that is equal to 0. Now you can write that is equal to 0. Similarly, gy equal to x plus lambda zx equal to 0. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2.
Sir,
2x
gy is x plus 2y, no, sir?
x plus
2y
gy,
plus
yeah.
lambda. Yes,
No.
sir.
Wait. Gy is 2x or 2z?
2z, sir.
2z. Okay. X plus 2z. So this is 0. Okay, 2z plus lambda zx. Lambda zx equal to 0. Gz is 2x plus 2y plus lambda xy equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Last equation is g lambda equal to 0. G lambda. G lambda is xyz minus 32 equal to 0, which is equation number 4. So how to solve these three equations? How to solve these three equations? Any idea? Four equations are there. Four equations. Any idea is there? So leave it that left hand side. It is not the problem. You leave because the here the all of them equal to 0. Now you consider only this. So you have to solve that these equations. These equations. How to solve this? Any idea?
Sir, can we solve using matrix?
In
Matrix.
matrix solvation. No. Here it is combination is there, na? So you can do one thing. Multiple with here multiple with x. Xy plus 2xz plus lambda xyz equal to 0. Okay. Multiple with y here. Xy plus 2 2yz plus lambda xyz equal to 0. Okay. In case if you are multiple with z here, 2xz plus 2yz plus lambda xyz equal to all are xyz only. So in case if you are solving these two, what happen? If you are solving these two, what happen? Minus. So if you are solving these two, all of them get cancelled. So 2xz plus 2yz, 2xz plus 2yz. Otherwise, if you put minus here, not plus actually. it is minus. So if you are solving that, x minus y equal to 0, x equal to y, x equal to y. Substituting x equal to y here, the third equation, substituting x equal to y, what do you get? Solving 1 and 2, we are getting that x equal to y. Substituting x equal to y in third one, 2x plus 2x plus lambda x square equal to 0. So 4x plus lambda x square equal to 0. So, sorry, lambda x square now. Lambda x square equal to 0. Then what is the value of lambda here? If you take it, the x outside, 4 plus, sorry, 4 plus lambda x equal to 0. Either x equal to 0 or lambda equal to minus 4 by x. Y equal to minus 4 by x. Sorry, sorry. Yeah, x equal to y na. This is not correct. X equal to y. So lambda equal to minus 4 by x. Otherwise, x equal to minus 4 by lambda. Y equal to minus 4 by lambda. X equal to minus 4 by lambda, y equal to minus 4 by lambda. Then what is z?
Sir, xyz is equal to 32. Substituting 4 by x, we can.
Here, xy z equal to 32. Now x equal to minus 4 by lambda, y equal to minus 4 by lambda. Z equal to what?
Sir, 2 lambda square.
Z equal to 2 lambda square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But xy is equal to 30, no? Then what is the lambda value? Minus 4 by lambda. No, minus 4 by lambda. No. Not like that. No, that is not correct. Z is not minus lambda square. So if you are substituting that y equal to what? Minus 4 by lambda, na? So here you substitute that y equal to 4 by lambda minus 4 by lambda plus 2z plus lambda is to minus 4 by lambda. So you consider this equation. And what you get? Huh? y plus 2 z. Okay, I'm writing here y plus, what is the equation? Y plus 2z plus
Plus lambda xyz is equal to 0.
lambda xy, yeah. Lambda y is equal to
0.
0. Okay, y equal to minus 4 by lambda plus 2z plus lambda minus 4 by lambda is z equal to 0. Lambda get cancelled. Minus 4 by lambda minus 2z equal to 0. So z equal to minus 2 by lambda. So x equal to xy z equal to 32. Xy z equal to 32 minus minus 4 by lambda minus 4 by lambda minus 2 by lambda equal to 32. So minus 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 1632. 32 by lambda equal to 32. This get cancelled. Lambda equal to minus 1. So x equal to 4, y equal to 4, z equal to 2 is the answer. This is the answer. The dimension of the box is 4 centimeter, 32 cubic centimeter. So the dimension of the box is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 2 centimeter. Okay, this method is called the Lagrange's method of multiplying. Lagrange's method of multiplier. Next class we will discuss differentiation under the integral sign. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.